what are the problems that are faced? So this is the first problem. As we discussed in previous slide, that the two categories of women in India and the product they use during their periods, unhygienic and synthetic pads, are highly hazardous to our skin as well as our health. Lack of menstrual awareness and the taboo related to menstruation is a big problem which indirectly leads to poor menstrual hygiene. That's the first problem which we face. Second problem is, as we are witnessing major pandemic situation due to which many migrant workers have lost their daily income, and many are farmers who are mainly dependent on seasonal cash crop, and which is not sufficient for livelihood. So, and the third issue is environmental pollution. The third huge problem is the waste we produce by throwing our pads. More than 12 billion of these pads are discarded every year, which ends up polluting water and landfills by around 7,200 tons of plastic waste a year. So, our first product targets to overcome these issues by uplifting women and farmers through the means of hemp economy, and the product we developed is Himalayan hemp sanitary pad. This is a photo which contains 36 grams per packet. Thus, the packet of sanitary pads contain 36 grams of plastic per pad. That is example. So these are the solutions to the problems we discussed earlier. So first solution for our poor menstrual hygiene is providing women with better products like hemp sanitary pads, and also by conducting awareness campaigns in schools and villages for eradicating menstrual taboos for safe and healthy menstruation. For solution 1, the B, conducting awareness campaign in school and villages. This also can be addressed. Second solution, for developing hemp as cash crop. Hemp can be alternative cash crop for the farmers as it requires less water and zero pesticides. And by developing innovative products like reusable hemp sanitary pads, which are assembled by and stitched by women tailors. So this is how they can earn livelihood. Third solution to the waste, which we discussed earlier. Solution to the waste we produce by dumping our sanitary pads is introducing reusability for those who are still using unhygienic cloth pads, and by developing disposable and degradable sanitary pads for those using synthetic sanitary pads. As a result, better solution to these issues, and for a fair economic model, we have created a concept of hemp family, which is the backbone of our community, where men can cultivate the hemp crop and do farming, while women of the family can stitch these sanitary pads, so that a self-sustained process is created, which utilizes the skills of entire family unit to generate an income. This is a picture showing the comparative analysis of hemp and the plastic, which this is biodegradability test. Hemp degrades in 3 to 6 months, while plastic takes thousands of years, as you are all aware of. Now, why hemp for sanitary pads? How hemp can make a difference compared to our crops? So hemp fiber is a strong fiber, and so is best suited for its reusability. It has other qualities like rust resistance, UV resistant, antibacterial, antifungal, chemical free, and no pesticides used in the fiber. It is also anti-inflammatory and has better absorbency to control heavy flow. So hemp fiber has all the qualities which is required in sanitary pad, and so is the best suited for the product that we are developing. These are the proof which makes hemp fiber unique.